As you can tell, the woofer from my 2005 Toyota Prius is blown. For now, I'll just show you how to repair the subwoofer using very inexpensive silicone caulk. If you've got a new car, you might want to replace the speaker with a new one. Even so, this repair is so good, you'd never know it was blown out before. Let's take a look at the damage. We need to carefully remove the cover over the foam ring so you don't cause more damage. This speaker is 18 years old and has degraded to a point that it's crumbling. For the woofer to work properly, the entire cone needs to be airtight in order to move the deep bass sound. And since the foam is broken and loose, we will try to fix it by sealing and reforming it with silicone caulk. I'm using silicone caulk because it's extremely durable, long-lasting, and flexible. It can handle the movement and air pressure of the speaker. As a bonus, it's inexpensive. I bought this for $6 at Home Depot. You can use any brand and color as long as it's 100% silicone. Use a generous amount of silicone to cover, surround, and seal the speaker suspension foam. Use your fingers to spread the silicone evenly. There's no formula on how much to use. If it's too thin, it won't be as strong and might not last as long. But if it's too thick, it may restrict some movement and therefore have reduced bass. I decided to go thicker to make sure it holds. I used the excess silicone on the foam ring. Actually, I ended up covering the entire foam with silicone to strengthen it before it degrades. In actuality, you could even use it on the paper cone. And there it is. Not the prettiest looking thing. Maybe you could do better. But now we have to let it sit for 24 hours to cure and solidify. As you can see, after it has cured, it's completely sealed, yet extremely flexible, which is good. However, if I were to do it again, I would sculpt it better with multiple layers rather than one big thick layer that I did here. Nevertheless, this speaker sounds great now. It's hard to demo how it sounds since there's nothing wrong with it. Gone is the distortion and rattling, and now you just hear and feel the bass. And there you have it. Woofer repair with silicone. Please like, share, and subscribe.